Hello from Stellar Evolution Designs. I'm Brenda. Just wanted to give a tip on these very inexpensive stands you can usually find at Wish and some of those other online ordering areas. I want to say it was like $3. The challenge I have now that I'm making bigger costumes for the dolls is that the weight of the doll plus the material tends to easily pop this little bracket here, and then your doll slides down. So, mentioning to my husband that this was the issue, he looked at the latch and lever and said, well, why not remove the extendable part, take this piece off, flip it over so that you'd actually be pushing the lever up, reinsert the adjustable part, and then put that right back into your stand. And now the bracket will sit on top of the bottom post. It's still kind of free to move, but shouldn't be a problem to hold your doll. And now it's much more secure in holding the doll with more weight. So hopefully that little hack, I guess, to these stands will help you have your dolls, stay upright and in one piece. All right, thanks.